can't make this stuff up. Here's Popeyes. Right there. Like, really? Well, let's just take a look to see what happened to the old Gersh Academy building anyway.
Next stop, Union Turnpike and 256th Street.
Hey, at least the old bodega's open. Alright, so let's see what happened to the old Gersh Academy building. Oh, it's still a work in progress. So look at that. They added 2 bus shelters here at Long Island Jewish. Look at that. Look at that. They used to never be there before, but they added it. So Popeyes right here on Union Turnpike used to be a Capital One bank. Right here. So a lot of Capital One bank locations apparently closed. Because there used to be another one on Bell Boulevard and 73rd Avenue. So, sign of the times, eh? Look at this. This is the bus I just got off of. Because Con Edison thinks it's a wonderful idea to do road work an hour before 3 o'clock when this area gets busy. This work can be done overnight. Okay, this work can be done from midnight to 5 a.m. All they gotta do, call 811, get a permit, and work overnight. No, you wanna inconvenience people. Once again, we should have gotten note. Why didn't they tell Community Board 8 that this was gonna be done? Community Board 8 should have been told about this. But no, you don't want to tell the Community Board. I mean, look at this. Literally, I almost just got hit by a bus. They should know the Q88 doesn't run after, I think, what, 11 o'clock on weekdays, something like that? Ridiculous. So, my point is, you know, next time, let Community Board 8 know you're doing road work here, and then, you know, they've been here, I think, since 9:30 this morning. 9:30. I mean, this is the worst time of the day to be doing this. Because now look at this. You got cars who have to go on this side of the road. I mean, that's dangerous. I mean, if they carefully had planned this, they should have closed the road down one side. You know, they should have put a detour sign that said left for Utopia Parkway, right for Francis Lewis Boulevard. Or what they could have done was, if you need the Fresh Meadows Shopping Plaza, you can make the left on 73rd Avenue and then go on 184th Street and then cut back up that way. But again, no community involvement, no outreach to our local community board. And honestly, you know, it's a disgrace. This is how we get treated in Fresh Meadows. You don't mean diddly squat here. And now because of this, look how much traffic's backed up on 188th Street. It's probably backed up all the way to Jamaica Estates because of this. And mind you, the preschool's being let out soon. The Summit School being let out soon. Okay? You're gonna have a lot of kids who are coming from Cardozo, coming over from the Padavin campus, and they're gonna have to deal with this mess. Now, if this was a Friday, oh, there'd be a problem. There would be a problem. And especially how the traffic light on 188th Street's caused a lot of congestion lately. So you can't make this stuff up. And I know I'm only speculating this, but I got a bad feeling because these construction guys are here. They're going to cause more of a backup on 73rd Avenue because a lot of these cars want to make a left turn. So I didn't get any notification from Community Board 8 in my emails that, oh, they're gonna do road work here. I mean, if this is emergency work, I get it. It's an emergency, I understand that. But you could do this overnight, is what I'm saying. You know, nobody's using, traditionally 73rd Avenue in Fresh Meadows is never busy between midnight to 5 a.m. All right? Never. But because, again, we're Fresh Meadows, we're Jewish, and we're Asian, we don't matter. And insult to injury, as I said, median home income is $90,000. Oh, insult to more injury, you have millionaires who probably buy houses in this area as well. Just check Zillow and you'll see. Oh, and one more point. Forgot to mention this. What they should have done if they knew the Q88 couldn't make the wide turn, they should have detoured the Q88 to go on 73rd Avenue and straight down, continue going straight, and then go on Utopia Parkway. Would have been much simpler. So the MTA is at fault too for what's going on as well. So that's going to wrap up Sights and Sounds for Tuesday, October 5th, 2021. Thank you for watching.